Hi guys, welcome to this video about how you can delete card templates, and I'm talking about TubeBuddy card templates. This is only a problem when you have TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy can help you to apply all these cards on YouTube videos, and you can save them as a template. And usually I'm all the time, every couple of days I take an old card template and I modify it and I save it as a new template. And over time, I accumulate a lot of templates. Recently I had about 20 card templates, and when you want to use it in the bulk copy cards, then it can be really annoying, or it can be a little bit bad. When you have so many card templates, you have to scroll through all of them. Here I have only two because I have already deleted most of them. I'm just showing you this as a sample. Here I've had only two. With two it wouldn't be a problem, but if you have 20 or 30 or something like that, you don't want this. It's really hard to find the latest one. It's not in an order like latest first. Sometimes the newest can be at the very bottom of these 20 or 30 or even more card templates, and it can be a problem. So the question is, where can you delete these card templates? I was always looking for an option around here, but it isn't here. So you have to go to a different place. So we have to leave this bulk update. We have to go into the edit mode of existing video, and then there we have to go to the cards. Like here, we click on that. So, and when we are here, the edit mode cards, here we have the apply template button. We click on that, and from here we have a delete option. So we can pick the one which we want to delete. Let's say this one. I want to delete this one. I click on delete, press OK, and then we have only this one. And when we go to bulk update, we have only this one and not 20 or 30 or 40. That's really helpful. I don't know where you could delete that apart from here. It's a little bit annoying that it's only here. I'm pretty sure that there are other areas where you can delete that, but I haven't seen it. So for me, the only option is to use this button here. So I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have been, or if you are in the same situation, if you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.